Greetings everyone, my name is Ishfaq Gurre. In this video, we would be displaying simple warm-up exercises. As you know, warming up and stretching are really important as they prepare the body for physical activities and prevent them from injury. Hope you enjoy doing them. Have fun.
We begin with our first exercise, which is a very simple jogging exercise. You need to jog and move to and fro. You can use either cones or any other object for marking. You need to practice this for at least 45 seconds to a minute and need to do 2 sets of this exercise. The next exercise is known as the walk and lunges exercise, where you need to walk and do lunges, move to and fro for 45 seconds to a minute and do 2 sets of this too. The next exercise is known as the inward rotation exercise. Here you need to move your knee to the waist level and rotate it inwards while walking. Continue this for 45 seconds to a minute and repeat 2 sets of this. The next exercise is similar to inward rotation. It is known as the outward rotation. In this exercise also you need to lift your knee to the waist level and rotate it outwards. Continue doing this for 45 seconds to a minute and repeat 2 sets of this. The next exercise is known as quick feet or fire feet exercise, where you need to move your feet swiftly while moving forward. You need to practice doing this for 45 seconds to a minute and repeat 2 sets of this. The next exercise is known as the butt kick, where you need to kick your buttocks with your heel while moving forward. You need to practice it as shown in the video. Practice it for 45 seconds to a minute and continue 2 sets of this. The next exercise is known as the high knee exercise. You need to lift your knee to the waist level while moving forwards. Practice this for 45 seconds to a minute and practice 2 sets of this. The next exercise is the simple duck walk exercise, where you need to squat down to the floor level and walk. Practice this for 45 seconds to a minute and make sure you do 2 sets of this too. In the next exercise, you need to bend down and touch your toes and stretch with your hands in the air while walking. Continue doing this for 45 seconds to a minute as shown in the video and repeat 2 sets of this. In our next exercise, you need to twist your body and kick inwards with your knee. Practice it as shown in this video. Practice it for 45 seconds to a minute and repeat 2 sets of this while walking to and fro. Now we move on to the high kick exercise. In this exercise, you need to stretch your hands forward and kick your hands with your legs while walking to and fro. Repeat this for 45 seconds to a minute and do 2 sets of this. After the high knee, we move on to the frog jump exercise. In this exercise, you need to squat down to the floor level and hop to and fro like a frog. Repeat this again for 45 seconds to a minute and do 2 sets of this too. The next exercise is known as the camel walk exercise, where you need to bend down and touch the floor with your hands and walk like a camel. Make sure your hip is lifted while you're walking. You need to practice this for 45 seconds to a minute and repeat 2 sets of this as well. The next exercise is known as the crab walk exercise. In this exercise, you need to bend down and walk forward with your hands stretched behind. Practice it for 45 seconds to a minute as shown in this video and repeat 2 sets of this crab walk exercise.